The Federal Capital High Court has stopped the national chairman of the Labour Party, Julius Abure, the national secretary, Farouk Ibrahim, and two others from parading themselves as national officers of the party. Others also affected by the order are the national organizing secretary, Clement Ojukwu, and the party's treasurer. Justice Hamza Mauzu issued the restraining order while ruling in an ex parte application argued by Ogu Onoja, senior advocate of Nigeria. Please guys, watch the video. Do not forget to like, share and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.
Maybe your Labour Party. Okay. Yes. Are we set? Yeah. Good afternoon, you just argued the ex parte application on behalf of your clients. For the sake of Nigerians that are not in court, may we know the rulings of the court in respect of the matter?
The issue here is the order court gave an order today that the chairman of Labour Party and other executive who are mentioned as defendant there should stop parading themselves as chairman and executive of the Labour Party on the basis that one, they have been found wanting in terms of allegation of crime. I mean, they have been indicted by the police for forgery. Also, the chairman has been suspended by his ward, and in our constitution, in the constitution of Labour Party, once you are suspended or expelled, you cannot be a member of the board of trustees, not to be a chairman, not to talk about being a chairman. The issue here is that if you look at Article 8C of the Labour Party is founded on integrity. And then people that will run this kind of organization that is part of a process of enthroning leadership in this country should be above board. They should not be involved in forgery. They should not be involved in desecration of the temple of justice. Because some of the documents that they forge also are the documents of FCT High Court here. The documents of FCT High Court, the receipt, the seal of FCT, the affidavit, and the FCT has written to the Labour Party that those receipts did not belong to them, that those seals did not belong to them. Those are the documents they used to forge to replace candidates. They were involved in forgery, replacing candidates. Those that are not members of the party were given tickets through forgery of certificate, through forgery of receipt, forgery of the seal of court. The FCT High Court wrote back to the police that those documents did not emanate for them. We're talking about receipt and affidavit forged by the executive to bring in people to make money. That goes contrary to the spirit of the Labour Party. That is the issue here. And we'll come to court, approach this court today, that they should restrain them for parading themselves until they clear their name. Because very soon police will take action. We'll have the police report indicting all of them, those that were mentioned in this case. So the National Public Secretary is here. He can say more about the allegation. But what is here today, with this order, they can no longer act as executive, National Executive of Labour Party. That is the truth.
The motion on notice, when is this?
It is adjourned to 17th of this month for the motion on notice. And the issue is about integrity. It's about probity, diligence. We are talking about youth who are aspiring to lead this country through Labour Party. They should not be involved in this kind of activity. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yeah, Dr. Abai Marabambi is my name. I'm the National Public Secretary of Labour Party. I am also one of the plaintiffs here. And I just want to thank God that today this issue has been laid to rest, because our party is founded on honor and integrity. The four officers involved primarily now are one, Julius Abure, who is the former national chairman now. We have Umar Farouk, who is also the former national secretary. We have Clement Ojukwu, who is the former national organizing secretary, and we have Okpara, who is also the former national treasurer. they were all involved in forgery, perjury, of documents, and which we consider inimical to what Labour Party stand for. So it's a good thing that at least we are law-abiding. We have every document that is presented before the judge. Police have written their report indicting them. In fact, the police have even secured an arrest warrant for all of them. They've been at large for some time now, but we felt that the best bet for us is to sanitize our party. And that's why we came to court, and I came to court, on behalf of other plaintiffs and other national officers. And we thank God today that at least justice has been served. The four of them, we from henceforth today stop parading themselves as national officer of the party. While we will convene in NWC meeting and NEC, we'll now be able to forge a new face for our party rather than, having, this kind of people that police, even this court, the rest of this court wrote back to us when we requested for certificate copy of the seal, the treasury single account upon which they claim they made payment for all the things they did there. The registrar wrote back to mean that no, those documents were forged, and we consider that very funny and antithetical to the spirit of democratic dividend that we are doing now. So today, the four of them that I mentioned will stop parading themselves because it's a court order which must be obeyed, and we will now forge ahead from here.